Today, we are going to demo how to vote for a new network steward. The network steward receives 20% of every block when mining PKT. They have roughly 90 days to spend those coins or they get burned. Individuals from the community can campaign to their peers in the community to be elected as the new network steward. Every week, a new network steward is elected by the community with a proof of stake vote. We are going to show you how to cast that vote. Okay, everyone, let's get started. We're going to show you how to cast a vote. We're going to vote for this candidate. With your Packet Voter open. First, open up the Packet Electrum wallet, go to the Addresses tab. Select an address with some money in it. Then, right-click and select Private Key, type the password. Select the end of the key after the colon, then copy it. Now go back to the Packet Voter and paste the key. Next, click Get Address. Their address shows their balance. Next, copy the address you're voting. Then, go back to the voter. Paste the address under Create Your Vote. Leave Become Candidate and vote for Nobody unchecked. Next, click to review Vote Transaction. Here you will see what you're going to spend under Funding Sources. What you are going to refund back to yourself is under Outputs. It also shows here the date of vote transaction when you're going to make the vote. Here is how much the packet fee is going to be. When you are ready to send the transaction, click Yes. You will then be prompted that the transaction sent successfully. To verify the transaction went through, copy the transaction ID and paste it in the Explorer. The transaction may take a few minutes and you may have to reload. Once it is loaded, it will appear in the Explorer. Here you can see the vote landed. Finally, go back to the Vote Explorer here. You may need to reload. There we are. That's the vote we just casted in this video. The popular guy. Now your vote is completed. Thank you for watching this demo. If you are interested in becoming the network steward, feel free to visit pkt.cash. You can also join the community on Discord and get involved. Thank you for being a Packeteer.